Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW X1 xDrive28i in space silver metallic with the black interior. All right, so this is the 2025 BMW X1 xDrive28i in space silver metallic. We got M Sport package on there, and let me do a lap all the way around the car. So this one is sold, that's why we've got a big massive bow on the top. But just wanted to capture it for you guys before it gets delivered. I really like how space silver looks, and with the M Sport package on there, X1 looks great like this. So why don't we go ahead and take a closer look at all the details. So we got space silver metallic, and got some body lines coming down, middle of the hood as well. And we've got the one-piece blacked out kidney grille with the horizontal slats. Interesting that they've got this part kind of like, it looks like a picture of it kind of. And active grille shutters behind there, front-facing camera, and M Sport bumper always looks good. Got some functional air ducts on each side. And we've got the double inverted L-shape headlights, so let me get those on, and let's do some pathway lighting as well. So full low beam system on, that looks really sweet. And since they're on, let's take a closer look at these headlights. So these are the BMW LED headlights, inverted L shapes. I think this looks really good. Very nice design. And just as a quick paint comparison, this is space silver metallic, this is skyscraper metallic, so skyscraper looks a bit darker. And space silver has a bit more silver in it, I think. There's the two colors kind of side by side. And when we come over here, you'll see that we have 19-inch double spoke 871M wheels in midnight gray burnished. So that looks sweet. And because M Sport, body colored over fender. And we've got this rocker panel with the black section in the middle instead of a full black rocker panel. And we've got body colored side mirror with integrated turn signal and side camera there. And up top we've got the bow, but there is a big sunroof up there as well. We have new style antenna, black roof rails, black window surrounds. Car was also tinted, and we have touch comfort access on the front door handles on these flush integrated door handles. And we've got the Hofmeister kink back here, and there's your rear quarter with that big 19-inch wheel there as well. And we've got the spoiler on top, and the spoiler does have some lines coming off the roof. And we've got the L-shaped tail lights, so those are on now. And if we take a closer look at them, they're three-dimensional with some nice triangular patterns on the side. It says BMW right there as well. And we've got the rear wiper arm. There's the M Sport rear bumper, so there's a big black part on it, and we've got some vertical reflectors on each side, and big diffuser, and there is your muffler underneath there. But we don't have any visible exhaust from the back of the vehicle. And since we are here, I'm just going to kick my foot underneath the middle of the car so we can get that to open up the hands-free way. We do have the cargo cover here. There's two strings, so you can undo those and have this come out all together. We do also have the grocery bag hangers, so there's two on each side. We have a little netted area on this side, and we have a 12-volt plug, illumination, and a plastic bin down there. Now if I fold up the floor, underneath we've got more space, carpeted mats, there's your wheel lock keys, tow hook, tire inflator kit and all that. And I put this back down. There's a button up top to close, another one to close and lock. But we can certainly kick our foot underneath the middle of the car to have this close the hands-free way. Perfect. Now if we come over to the passenger side, you'll see that we have the fuel cap door connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 91 octane. It's counterclockwise, one click to open the cap. There's a little spot here to put it while you're refueling, and when you're done, it's just clockwise, one click, and then we can shut the door. And I'm just going to go ahead and open up that rear door here. So inside, you'll see that we have the Harman Kardon sound system, window controls here, some pockets, And we've got the black seating surfaces in the back. I'm just gonna undo all the seat belts. Perfect. All three headrests can flip up or down like this. There's also an armrest in the center with some cup holders, just like that. And there's a string down here, so if I pull the string, the seats can fold down in a 40-20-40 split. So if I put it back, there are 1, 2, 3 positions for recline. So we can see that those 2 seats are in the second position. And up top, we do have some handles and coat hangers and lights. And on the back of the center console, we've got some vents, 2 USB Type-C charging ports. There's a little storage area down there. There's the winter mats, and there's some vent and some illumination. So now that we've had a chance to look at the back seating area, let me shut this door and we can go to the front door next. So once I open up the door here, you can actually see M Welcome Light carpet. It's hard to see, but it's there. Open that up. So we've got unlock, lock, door handle, Harman Kardon sound system, illuminating ambient light strip there. We've got window switch, pockets, full power seat over here. There is also manual under the thigh extension, and headrest is also manually adjusted. And we've got some nice stitching going across the dash, some vents, glove box down here. We have the curved display with iDrive operating system 9. We have max front defrost, rear defrost, wireless charger with a little seatbelt there for your phone, USB Type-C charging ports, 12-volt plug, cup holders, and there is your push start button, gear selector, volume wheel, 4-way flashers, little button to open the storage compartment. So there's a bit of space here. There's more space down here at the bottom. And now that we've had a chance to look at this, let's go to the other side next. All right, so if we approach from the driver's side, let me open up the door. So in here, we have memory buttons, Harman Kardon sound system, unlock, lock, all your window controls, side mirror controls, tailgate releases down there. So that button can be pressed to open or pulled and held to close while the key is inside. Full power seat over here. We've got the M Sport steering wheel, M at 6 o'clock there. And we've got cruise control options, and we have some audio controls. Also the head-up display is here. And up top, garage door openers, sunroof controls, interior camera is here as well. And since we're in here, we got 360 cam with automatic parking, front park, back park, parallel park. And we've also got 3D view to help you align yourself to get in the car wash, touchless only please. And also, if I hit on driving settings, we'll see that this car also has some cruise control things here as well. So assisted driving plus, cruise control with no hands on the steering wheel, lane guiding with navigation. So BMW navigation with cruise control allow the car to change lanes with no hands on the steering wheel to get to your exit based on your destination. So now that we've had a chance to look at all this stuff in the screen here, let's jump back out of the car. So we've got some exterior lighting controls here, pedals down here, hood releases over here. So it's 2 pulls, 1, 2. So when we get to the front, we won't have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B48 2-liter inline 4 twin power turbo, 241 horsepower, 295 foot-pounds of torque. We've got the strap bar going across, positive battery terminal is here, negative battery terminal is this metal post, washer fluid goes over there, BMW only likes regular washer fluid, and we have 2 latches here, and that just means that both latches have to close at the same time. So if I bring the hood roughly about halfway, literally just center down. Beauty. So before we conclude the video, I just want to do one more lap all the way around the car. And I do like this spec. I think it looks really good. And if you're going to get an X1, M Sport definitely dresses it up. So how do you like the spec? I like that it also has the advanced driver assist stuff in there as well. Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW X1 xDrive28i in space silver metallic with the Black Veganza interior and M Sport. So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.